Johnson County in north central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located just north of Highway 67 between Alvarado and Venus. CASA radar indicates that the circulation will approach Pleasant Point and Lillian over the next few minutes. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.